Site cleanup. In the previous session, we learned to whitewash our toilet. After we have completed constructing the toilet, it is very important to clean up the site and show the customer the finished toilet. This will help in improving customer satisfaction. At the end of this session, you will be able to clean the site. Before we go into the procedure, let's take a look at the tools used. The tools are broom, mortar pan, hoe. We will now see the steps involved in site cleanup. A complete cleanup of the site post-construction is a very important task. The site has to be cleared of all the leftover materials from the toilet construction. The materials lying around could be collected and piled up at one place. The excess mud could be used for leveling the land. Also, arrangements should be made for transporting of the leftover material. A trench to drain the grey water from the bathing area needs to be dug and directed towards a nearby garden or vegetation or any convenient location for the easy movement of water. After cleaning the site, show the toilet to the customer. Remember to also explain how to use and maintain the toilet. We have now successfully completed the site cleanup. With that, we have come to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned to clean up the site. In the next session, we will learn how to maintain the toilet.